What's up everyone, my name is Andre and welcome to AutoHacker's channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. And today I handpicked 10 lots from insurance auto auctions and I want to share it with you. And I'm going to start with this beauty, 2017 Dodge Charger SRT 392 cubic inches. Let's go! Today we're gonna check 2017 Dodge Charger SRT, brand new 2023 Volvo XC60 with only 700 miles, 2012 Infiniti Hybrid, Toyota Tundra Limited 2014, Ford Mustang with estimated bid of only $2,550, Instant Classic 2013 Nissan 370Z, Audi S5 Prestige, BMW M4 in beautiful orange color, 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Spyder, and at the end, we're gonna check Chevrolet Corvette. Are you ready? Let's start. And let's start with 2017 Dodge Charger SRT 392 cubic inches, which is 6.4 liter V8, 22,000 miles, and it comes with unknown damage. So checking the car out, I don't see any damages. There is something right here, like laying around just underneath the car, but I don't think it belongs to this car. It's auto auction. Lots of different parts laying around and I think they just took the picture, but this part I don't think belongs here. Anyways, checking other pictures, no damages. Interior is pretty cool. I rarely see this interior. It's a red leather interior and black exterior. It looks pretty cool and low mileage, beautiful interior. What's the story? So clean title, okay, very good. So what's the estimate? I believe this car is going to be around $30,000 since the retail price is over $44,000. So $30,000 for clean title car with minor damages, it's actually great price. This is going to be for sale at auction on April 12th in Texas, Wilmer location. Check it out. And then there is a brand new 2023 Volvo XC60, one of the best and safest crossover on the market. It has vandalism damage. So checking the images, you see the rear glass was broken. I guess thieves tried to steal something or actually damage it for the reason, but otherwise few damages right here on the side. What else? Front looks good. Rear, we already checked it. You just need to replace the rear glass, which is not that expensive. Interior is fantastically new. 700 something miles on it. It's just like nothing. Beautiful screen, heated seats, air conditioning, like wow, 744 miles, just 744 miles, and that's it. Car is great, and the best part, the seller reserve is $27,250, which is 50% of its retail price. So if you want a brand new crossover with under 1,000 miles on it, which belongs to State Farm Insurance Company, and you get it at 50% discount, wow, it's a no-brainer. Check it out, it's going to be for sale on April 12th in Pennsylvania, West Mifflin location. One of the best sedans for the money, it's actually 2012 Infiniti M. And this is just not any regular M, it's a hybrid. So it has 71,000 miles, which is decent for 10-year-old car. And actually we can hear the engine started. Works pretty nice, no issues whatsoever. Belongs to State Farm Insurance Company, and again it's unknown damage with a theft recovery vehicle. So somebody stole the car, then it was recovered by police, and now it's your chance to own this car for a fraction of the cost. So it retails at around $15,000, but seller put reserve at $4,400. So if you get this car at around $5,000, maybe $6,000, you get 60% discount. What a deal. So check this car out. It's going to be for auction on April 17th in California, Fremont location. Then there is a beautiful truck. It's 2014 Toyota Tundra Limited. It has a rear end damage, which is not major, minor damage, missing the tail lights, missing the tailgate, limited edition, and look at the interior. It's almost flawless, like it came from the dealership. Very nice truck with 64,000 miles, which is decent. This is an 8-year-old truck, like in trucks made to do work, like be driven. and it retailed at over $35,000. Seller reserve put it at around $14,875. So if you get this truck at around $15,000, you get again 55% discount. So check this car out. It's going to be for sale on April 13th in Arizona Tucson location. And to remind you, we sell boats, different size, different shape, like this 2005, what is it? It's a Formula One. I'm not sure like exactly which one, but if you're looking for boat, not exactly this one, you can go to Vehicle Finder, search by vehicle type and click boat. There are over 460 boats to choose from. You can check them out, and if you're looking to buy it now option, click buy now, and you see 49 results that you can buy right now at the fixed prices. And also to remind you, we sell bikes like this 2013 Harley-Davidson FLH Ultra Classic, and this bike retails at over $18,000. $18,000 for this bike, but hold a second, the reserve and buy it now price is just $5,880, which is amazing, a 70% discount. So if you're looking for bikes, not exactly maybe Harley-Davidson is your cup of coffee, go to Vehicle Finders, search by vehicle type and click motorcycle. And as you see, we have over 2,000 different motorcycles to choose from, included bikes with buy it now option. If you choose buy it now option, you see there's 230 bikes available at a fixed price. So go to carsfromwest.com and choose your car, boat, bike, whatever you want. Okay, and next, 2010 Ford Mustang Premium 4.0 liter V6. It's actually of the older engines. And actually it's one of the classics engines on the Mustang. The cool part, it has a rear end damage, and I checked pictures, try to see where's the rear end damage on this car, and only thing I found is right here on the left rear quarter panel. You see there is a damage right here, and that's it. I know there is a gap in the glass, but you guys know, like I was driving 2021 Ford Mustang, and it has exactly the same issue because it's convertible. So I think it's not a damage, it's just part of the construction. What else? Otherwise, decent rims, decent color. It's convertible again. They just washed the car to show, you know, the beauty of it. But look at the interior. It has custom racing seats. Okay, and the other cool part, it's a manual transmission on the V6 4.0 liter, which is pretty cool. Kind of like old school looking, but at the same time, I think it's really attractive. About the mileage, let's see, it has 87,000 miles. Again, it's a 12-year-old car, not bad, and it retails at around $10,000. So perfect car for summertime. But the reserve is actually around our between at $2,550. So you have a great chance to get it for $2,500. So if you're ready to own Ford Mustang with a minor damage, convertible with beautiful racing seats, check it out on April 12th in South Carolina location. 2013 Nissan 370Z. Okay, let's take a look at this car. It's undercarriage damage, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And I see the wheel right here. It's not straight, so probably someone did burnouts, maybe racing, got fishtailed and hit the curb. Boom! So you got the damage right here. Otherwise, looking at the panels all intact. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And the interior, nice racing leather seats. Is it a manual transmission as well? Oh, wow, nice big screen. 37,000 miles. I don't see any engine signs. It's actually a pretty good car. So, is it a manual? No, it shows automatic, but I'm actually confused, guys. What do you think? Is it automatic or it's a manual transmission? Looks like a manual transmission. If it's a manual transmission, it's pretty cool. If it's automatic, it's again pretty nice. The only thing I see, there is an airbag was deployed, the side airbag, because of the what is it, right rear wheel. So yeah, airbag got deployed here, so it needs to replace, but otherwise very nice sporty car. Retails at around $25,000. There is a chance to get this car at around $7,000 since the seller reserve is at $6,700. Low miles, great car, lots of potential and minor damage. This one is going to be in New Mexico location on April 13th. Looking for Nissan? Check this one out. 2018 Audi S5 Prestige, and this is a cool primary damage. I don't think we covered it recently. It's a partial repair. So usually partial repair is one of the damages I always say avoid it, but in this case it's a partial repair, but the car belongs to insurance company. So insurance company fixed the car, but the owner of this vehicle denied to accept it. Maybe he wasn't happy with the repairs. Maybe it's a great trick just to get rid of the car, get the whole amount paid for the car and buy something new. You never know. So you have practically a used car with no damages, minor dents and scratches, and you can get it at a great discount. Look at the interior. Beautiful seats, beautiful everything. It's Audi. It's not regular Audi A5, it's S5, carbon fiber, big screen, cameras all around, 60,000 miles, no warnings, no engine signs, nothing. So $46,835, that's the retail price, but the seller reserve put it at $24,000. So you can get a used car with no damages at $20,000 discount. $20,000 discount. Gosh, crazy. Isn't it crazy? Wow. So this one is going to be in California Sun Valley location on April 12th. Check this car out. And next I have a 2020 BMW M4. Amazing color combo. Just take a look at it. Just beautiful orange color. It has a side damage, so probably somebody was racing this beauty. Like it. Very nice. Is it the performance? Let's check it out. I think it is performance. Yeah, it says M Performance. Wow. I like the color. One of my favorite colors. And on BMW M4. Wow. Just wow. So interior is nice. No airbags deployed. Carbon fiber, leather seats, 11,000 miles, no warning, no engine signs, nothing. Beautiful engine, 3.0 liter M power. Woo! Wow, this thing is fast. So it says all over damage. So we check there is some rear damage, side damage, okay, which is decent. Seller certificate from Connecticut and retail price is over $65,000, but the seller reserve put it at $26,000. We have bid to win from $28,000 to $30,000. So if you're looking for sporty BMW M4 in beautiful color, check this one out. This is going to be for sale on April 13th. And for the lover of exotics or just the dreamers like myself, let's check this 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Spyder. Convertible, 11,000 miles. It has a rare end damage. I know, it's a pity, but beautiful color overall. Look at this. People try to touch this beauty, huh? But it has a rare end damage, which is decent. I don't see any major ones, so if someone has funds to fix it, it might be a really great project. Airbags intact. It's a newer one, 2020, so nice screen. All these bells and whistles on this beauty. Wow, I really like it. Wish I could afford this car at some point. Wow, looks pretty nice. So what's the price? The retail price is $302,000. Woo! And the seller reserve, they put it at $162,000, which is decent for Lamborghini Huracan, which is Spyder convertible. So if you have that amount of money and you want Lamborghini, maybe it's a great actually export opportunity. So check this one out. It's going to be for sale on April 12th in California location. And last but not least, 2020 Chevrolet Corvette, owned by insurance company Progressive. There is a video. Let's hear it start. Yeah, I can hear it's working. No problem with engine, and it's a theft recovery vehicle. Run and drive, and it has clean certificate of title. Beautiful color combo. It's a white exterior and check interior, red leather. We've seen red leather on Ford Mustang, and we see red leather on Dodge Charger on this one. What's going on? That's pretty nice. And this one also looks pretty cool, like red stitching. Theft recovery means no damages. Clean title means it keeps the warranty and the value. So retail price is $88,000. Let's see this. Actually, I want to see if any warnings here. Nothing. 17,000 miles. So you pretty much get a used car with clean title. And what the price is going to be, you know, it's difficult to estimate, but since it's $88,000 retail price, it's a clean title with no damage. I think it's going to be around $55,000. But still, if you get it at $50,000 or $55,000, guys, remember, you saving $30,000 on a brand new car, used car, no damages, and clean title. So if you were looking for Corvette, check this one out. It's a beauty, and it's gonna be for sale on April 12th in Texas location. Boy oh boy, if you get this Chevrolet Corvette for around $55,000, you could potentially save $30,000 on a used car with clean title. That's just mind-blowing. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you're looking for insuring cars and you do not have a dealer license, don't forget, carsfromwest.com is your friend. Just go there. Registration is absolutely free. You can search for cars at insurance or auction and Copart. Just add deposit and start bidding right away. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers, guys.